Jingpoi ki bor Pulit ha campus ke North Eastern Hill University NEHU hak arpu pratrek yoyong arhaja arpusan hadin ke Jingshngaiñ usamla Sandy Sorton u President ke NEHU Students Union NEHU su kedai ban khanglat ya kinu ki jengkulmar ki bala ban mi la ong ba Prestone tensong usembut menteri rangba ubade pej ya ketenat kampo yeng ke sarkar jella hakilat pathai kubor hak janmiet jok arpu kandai trek yoyong arhaja arpusan Usembut menteri rangba ula kentu ya ki samla Pulit nalor ki repaj ba bakin long ki bajai-jai barban ailat ya ke Jingtohkit bakan ya cekman halor ke jing persya ki samla Pulit ya ke Jingpoi ki bor Pulit ula ong bahadin ke jing ekran bat ki bor badai pej ya ke te ke skol ba la weng no ya ki Pulit
when the police information was that there may be some kind of reaction, some kind of law and order. Then from the police side they said that we have to be well prepared in case if there is any kind of reaction, as I said to you, and especially because it is in the campus, and the campus of NEHU, it's a huge campus over there. So that on the basis of that, then the police was ready. And then they were there inside, but ultimately after having a meeting with the in charge of the NEHU campus, ultimately it was decided that the police force should be withdrawn, and in case if any issues are there, the concerned in charge of the NEHU campus will take care, or they will inform the police department.
How is the situation in NEHU right now?
Right now, the situation is okay. It's not that out of control. So everything is cool, calm right now. And we appeal to the student communities also and to everybody that let us wait. Don't just be emotional, because the law takes its own course, and then allow the investigation to go on. Once that is done, then they will be able to know also exactly what was happening over there. No, because the investigation is on. As I should let the investigation be completed.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya